Hey everyone, let's dive into something a bit unconventional today. Have you ever wondered how military strategies could actually help us in everyday life? Well, strap in, because I'm about to show you how the military's SMEAC planning method can revolutionize the way you plan your day-to-day activities. SMEAC stands for Situation, Mission, Execution, Administration, and Command. It's a blueprint used in military operations, but guess what? It's just as powerful for personal use. Let's break it down. First up, situation. Here, you assess what's going on. 1. Situation definition. Outline the current state, background information, and context of the task or project. It's all about setting the stage. Next, 2. Mission. Clearly define the objective or goal. What needs to be accomplished? Maybe it's planning long family vacation, tackling a home renovation, or simply organizing your week ahead. The mission gives your plan a clear focus and purpose. Now, execution. This is the strategy. How will you achieve your mission? This includes the plan, timeline, steps, and individual responsibilities. If your mission is to renovate your kitchen, execution might involve budgeting, choosing the right contractors, and setting a timeline. It's all about the how-to. Then we have administration. This often involves logistics. In daily life, it could be things like managing your budget or scheduling activities so that everything runs smoothly. It's the nuts and bolts that hold your plan together. And finally, command. This is about leadership and responsibility. Define the chain of command and communication plan. Who is in charge? How will updates be communicated? Even in personal professional projects, someone needs to take charge. Whether it's you or a shared responsibility with a partner or family member, knowing who's in command keeps everyone accountable. So, why not give it a try? Think of a project or goal you have, and apply the SMEAC method. You might be surprised at how a bit of military precision can bring clarity and structure to the chaos of everyday life. Remember, life doesn't have to be a battlefield, but a little strategic planning can certainly help you conquer your day with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to hear how SMEAC has helped you streamline your life. Like and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.